Just came back from the Korean market where we bought some whiting for our Sunday dinner. Gonna pan fry that, but I'm also got some red potatoes, which I'm gonna try to make into a Sephardic potato salad. Sephardic potato salad is nothing like other potato salads you might be familiar with, American, German. There's no pickles in it, no mayo, no a lot of stuff. But right now, this is about 2.5 pounds of red potatoes. I'm gonna add some olive oil, lemon juice, allspice, and some garnish of parsley, which is basically my mother's recipe. I'm going to be adding some chopped mint and some other fresh herbs. So the extra virgin olive oil. I'm probably going to overdo this. I don't really have a recipe. I think she calls for 2 tablespoons. I'm not sure. Anyhow. Okay, let's see. These lemons are really hard. They're from Costco. My wife bought them. I usually try to squeeze the lemon to see how soft it is before I buy them. It's a 5-pound bag, I think. Well, I might have overdone it. This is a whole lemon. It seems like a lot. Anyway. Little Cumin wouldn't be out of order here. The parsley now, and now here's the mint and thyme. I also have a frittata in the oven. Give me a second. I'm going to mix this up a little bit. A little salt here. So this is Sephardic potato salad. A little crushed red Aleppo pepper. All right, let me taste this now. Put the pepper on top. Mm-hmm.